At the end of this video, I will show you a picture of my sifter and connect you into a video on how to build one if you're interested in having one. Good morning. I'm a little bit upset with myself this morning on my worm bed. The thing is, the other day, a young lady came by and wanted to buy some compost, Vermicompost. No big deal. Yes, ma'am, I got it. I did. I sold it. The only thing bad, while she was here, what did she do? She bought my sifter, she bought a worm foam, and she bought 60 pounds of caissons. So now here I am with a worm bin that needs running. And guess what? My sifter is history. So now we're back to the old days. Believe it or not, Dollar Tree, wastebasket. One little handful at a time. And sift it over a container. All you could find compost falls out, and then you dump the big stuff back in the bin. It's slow, but it works. It's not near about as fast as my sifter, but you got what you got. Now, here's the thing. This is a fireplace screen. It came off of an old fireplace screen to stop the embers from jumping off into the house and burning the house down. Now, if you're looking for eggs, you gather it up and you sprinkle it on here and you shake it. All right, you get all the compost out and you start looking. Most of your eggs are going to be in your leaves and your paper, in little bundles. And you'll find them. That's my egg sifter. That's the old way I used to do it. I'm going to have to build another sifter. I'm going to let this dry out for another few days. It's pretty dry right now. But not dry enough, I don't think. Not for the hand sifter. Not for the hand sifter. Now, at the end of this video, I will show you I didn't realize that light was in the way. I will show you another picture of my sifter. And I sure wish I hadn't sold it. I mean, I got the material here to build another, but it's just time. And right now, with my honeybees and my worms and the rain and my garden door blowing and yard deed cutting, been pretty busy the last day or two. But that's what keeps you going. My wheelbarrow has a container on it that I carry my tools in when I'm working in the yard. When I remove that retainer, this sifter fits the wheelbarrow perfect. Right there is inside the wheelbarrow. That's inside the wheelbarrow. Your heavy stuff falls out on the ground down here in a bucket, a tote. That way, I can come right back up here, load my stuff in it, and just go after it. And that's the way it works. The frame comes with it. It's made special for a wheelbarrow. You can use it on a sawhorse. You can use it on whatever, barrels, buckets, it doesn't matter as long as you got something to hold it up.